Okay, equations involving fractions. Got to be a bit more careful with these because you're dividing by 6 here, but then you're dividing this term by 3. What I would do is, I would try and find a number that both of these go into. Okay, so a common multiple, 6 would work, wouldn't it? So if we times through then by 6, okay, if we times through by 6, every term has to be multiplied by 6. So the first term, if I times that by 6, I'm taking my time, it's best to take your time on this, don't rush it. So times the first term by 6, you get that. Times the second term by 6, you get this. And then of course don't forget to times the 2 by 6 as well, so you get 12. And what's good about this is, you don't actually need to work anything out just yet. I would sort of look at cancelling down now. You've got 6 on the top, 6 on the bottom. 6 divided by 6 is 1, so they sort of go. Here, you've got 6 here and 3 here. Well, the good thing is 6 and 3, when you divide them, you get 2. So you end up having 4x plus 3, which is this bracket here. And then this becomes, as I said, 2x equals 12. Simplify this. So you get 6x plus 3 is equal to 12, and you've got yourself a really simple equation. So you've got 6x equals 12, take away 3. Okay, I'll go up here because I'm running out of room. 6x is equal to 9. So x will equal 9 divided by 6. Okay, if we simplify this, 3 goes into both of these. That becomes 3. That becomes 2. So you've got 3 over 2, or 1.5. Okay. Number 16. Again, you decide now common multiple, a number that each of these go into. 8, of course, 8 they both go into. So we times through by 8. So times the first term by 8, the second term by 8, and of course this by 8. Now, the 8 here will cancel, so you end up with x plus 11. The 2 here, and you've got 8 on the top. Well, 8 divided by 2 is 4. So that goes, you get 4 here. Okay, because 8 divided by 2 is 4. So you've got 4 on the outside of the bracket. Now here, what you've got to be careful of is that you times through now this bracket by 4. So you have 4x minus 20. And then you've got here 13 over 4 times 8. Well, you can use a calculator if this isn't a calculator paper. Okay. The other way you could do it is 8 and 4. Well, you could cancel them down. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Yeah, 8 divided by 4 is 2. So this would be the same as just times them by 2. You get 26. Working this out then, you get 5x. 11 minus 20 is minus 9 equals 26. So then 5x is 26 plus 9. So 5x is 35. So x would equal 35 divided by 5. X would equal 7. Okay, number 17. Be careful with this one. Please be really careful. It's so important. Simply because there's a minus here, right? So watch out. Okay, you might have made a mistake when you've done this. Just watch out as I go through it now. Again, I'm going to times through by 8. That makes sense because 8 is the lowest common multiple here. So if 8 times that bracket, 8 times that term, and 8 times the other one. 8 divided by 4, that becomes 2. Okay. 8 divided by 8, well, they cancel, it becomes 1. Careful at this stage, be really careful. Multiply out that bracket. 2 times 4x is 8x. 2 times 1 is 2. You get 8x minus 2. Okay. Now here you might be tempted just to write down minus 2x minus 5. Okay, but it isn't minus 2x minus 5. What you need to realize is you've got a minus here, but there's a bracket here. So that minus applies to each term in that bracket. Or you could think of it as like minus 1, you know, outside that bracket. So you've got minus 1 times 2x. Minus 2x minus 1 times minus 5 is actually plus 5. 2 minuses make a plus. This then becomes 24. So you get 6x minus 2 plus 5 is plus 3 equals 24. So 6x will be 24 minus 3. 6x is 21. So x will equal 21 divided by 6. This could be simplified. 3 goes into both of them. 7 twice, so 3.5. Okay.